Hello everyone, you are welcome to Omadagbon Maths class. Today we're going to be solving the problem calculate the circumference of a circle with a radius of 6 centimeter. Now to go about it, first you have to know the formula of how to calculate the circumference of a circle, and the formula is 2 pi r. The pi and the arrow. The arrow is the radius. So in this case, we're going to be using pi as 3.142 as pi, and the radius is already given in the question. So let's go. So we have circumference is equal to 2 pi. Our pi is 3.142. Our radius is what? 6. Now when you multiply, if you multiply 2 times 3.42 times 6, approximately you have 37.696 other figures. So that's centimeter. So now if we want to take it to one decimal place, our final answer will be equals to 37.7 centimeter. That will be the final on how to calculate the circumference of a circle. Please subscribe to my YouTube, share my YouTube channel. Remain blessed. I am Omadagbon Monday. Bye.